What's up? Welcome to Masters at Wagtail. I got a few jobs in the morning. I'm going to have my help. The guy you saw in my previous videos that I told you that trained me when I used to manage a crew of another company I used to work for. He actually trained me to hang from the buildings. So me and him are going out tomorrow. We got rained out today. But needless to say, we did accomplish two jobs. We did a diner, and yes, it was still raining, but it wasn't raining heavy. It was more like spitting or drizzling, if you will. And I was able to go over to the bridge over in Philly, over in Bala Kenwood area, and do some shops over there, and then come back over. He didn't feel like staying out working and getting soaking wet. I put him on the outside. Hey man, when you the boss, you pay the cost to be the boss. So you get all the gravy jobs, you know what I mean? So he had to be on the outside getting wet, and I was on the inside. But I told him that we can do the outside together, but he ain't say nothing. So I thought he was cool. But he wasn't up for doing it anymore, so I called it a day anyway. But you know what I'm tired of? I had a couple comments from people that don't even visit my channel. You know what I mean? But they come whenever they feel like they have something either to add or something to say, like trying to say that they're better than me, saying that they did it many, many years ago. I had a couple comments like that, but, you know, I don't pay attention to none of that nonsense because these people aren't active in the community. You know what I mean? And I'm upset. I'm pissed off personally about the comment because it could have saved me some time. Have they told me this a while ago? You know, if they did this, why ain't it out on YouTube? Why didn't they publicly put it out to help somebody? You feel me? Now all of a sudden they want to put their 2 cents in it and they have nothing to say, nothing to show, nothing of what they even did. And then when I commented back, you feel me? After they said that, I commented back, there's no response. You know, so I don't know if they just blowing smoke up my ass or, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to get into all that, man. You know, because I don't have time for that. I'm trying to move forward. I'm trying to help others. And when people like that try to tell me they've done this so many years ago, well, hey, show me what you done. But they can't never show me. You feel me? They can't never ever show me. And that's where I have a problem. You can tell me whatever you did in the whole wide world that you done put a rocket to the moon. I don't care. If you don't have nothing to show me that I can see how you did it, then it doesn't mean crap. It doesn't mean nothing to me. You know what I'm saying? When I tell y'all something, I show y'all something. You feel me? And that's worth its weight in gold. You know? So when I tell you it's the first that's ever seen on YouTube, then it's the first that I've ever seen on YouTube. So it'll probably be the first you've ever seen on YouTube. You know? And it's not even about all that. Who did what first? It's not all about that. So you're missing the whole point here. I'm trying to show y'all how I get down, how I do things. All right? So I don't know what this guy's trying to do.